Artlist.io.
I feel you watching me pull up across the room. I think you like the view. You gonna make a move. I don't make this easy for you.
Music licensing reimagined.
It's not intentional. I'm not responsible. I never played a game. But if it's in my face, I don't make it easy for you. Everyone is an option. I don't think that's a problem. No, my eyes make me sweet, but most people don't fuck with me.
Artlist.io.
Easy for you. I don't make this easy for you. And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my mind, be that easy for you. I could
Music
be that
licensing
easy
reimagined.
for you. Baby, I like to learn. How do you wanna feel? Tell me your fantasies. As you discover me, can I make this easy
Artlist.io.
for you? I wanna make it easy for you. And it's not intentional. I'm not responsible. I never play the games. But if you're in my way, I don't make this easy for you. I won't be that easy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Everyone is an option. I don't think that's a problem. No, my eyes make me sweet, but most people don't fuck with me. I don't make this easy for you. I don't make this easy for you. And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my mind, be that easy for you.
Artlist.io.
Could be that easy for you. And now's the time between you and I. Get out of your head, step into my mind, be that easy, be that easy, be that easy for you.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana. My name is Shalom Wanjiru and welcome to my vlog. Today I am running errands. It's a Saturday. I have to go to the salon. You guys can see my hair looks horrible, and then I also have to take the car to the mechanic. There's something that needs to be fixed that's very urgent. I'll take the car to the car wash. So I'll take you guys with me to my errands the whole day. And then, niko na story ya kuambia.
Artlist.io.
Sasa hebu acha niwaambie story. Your girl here left her mic. Hey, I had really driven, like I had gone. So when I was about to start filming, I realized two things. First, I didn't have the mic, and then the second thing, my phone ilikuwa imejaa storage. So for the sake of this video, I decided to go home. I went back. I copied everything to my laptop, and then nimezi delete, of course, kwa simu, and then I had to go take my mic. Yes, those are the struggles of vlogging with a phone and you don't have a camera. But guys, we are going to get a very good camera. I have already seen one and I'm going to work towards it. Yep. So for now, I'll just be using my phone. Plus this phone is better than the one I had before. It's better even than the camera I had before. But yeah, this phone is better.
I
ain't worried about the future cause I know it's in your hands. I'm the furthest thing from perfect, but I know you understand. I was limping quick to running, now I'm flying Peter Pan. And it's all because of every single step I had your hand, yeah. Every single step I had your hand. Now I got the blessings on demand. Anything you say is
music licensing reimagined.
But you told me that I can't. So I lay it all out cause I trust you like that. And I give it all to you cause you got it like that. Any seed that I sow, boomerang right back. Now I'm living with a joy, you can never buy that. Yeah. It ain't never easy, life can be hard. But if you trust and you believe it, you can make it with God, yeah. No matter where I'm going,
Artlist.io.
I'll make it through. Joy's coming in the morning, so I choose to wait on you. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that.
Music licensing reimagined.
I can't think of anything I did or even do to deserve just 1 inch of your love that makes people new. And the way that you saved me out of that den, when all of the lions were covering my head, you had another plan and you gave me another chance. Oh, the way that you got me, yeah, got me like that.
Artlist.io.
Love that will let you fall, but then will bring you right back. Bring you right back.
No matter where I'm going,
Music licensing reimagined.
joy's coming in the morning, so I choose to wait on you. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game.
Music licensing reimagined.
Destiny has my name, no it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Blessings on blessings,
Artlist.io.
yeah.
I'm playing, cause life's been worth it.
So guys, I'm back to the car and I'm done with my hair. You guys can see it looks very, very pretty. It's all done. I am so happy. So I hope that light is not too much. I think that's okay. So now I'm headed to the next location. Yeah, now I'm good. So now I'm headed to the next location and I will be taking you guys. I have to go fix the car. The brake light of the car is not working, so it needs to be fixed, because you know you can't go with only one brake light working, otherwise utashikwa na polisi and it's not right. So yep, let's go. You guys, you believe what has just happened? I had to stop suddenly. There's a spider in my car. There's a spider. You know those spiders that jump? Yeah, those ones. Guy, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. 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 Okay, I need to check it out. I need to check it out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so scared.
Music licensing reimagined.
We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
Artlist.io.
Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. I can see the blessings. I can feel your presence, leaning on the change in my heart.
Hey, so guys, tumefika hapa kwa where I'm supposed to fix the brake lights. The fundi is not yet here, so naambiwa nafaa kumngoja, which is okay because this is a priority to me. So I'll just wait for him. Naambiwa hayuko mbali, so nangoja. So guys, sijapata hiyo spider. I've not found it. I feel so bad. I just hope it doesn't attack me. Hey guys, so the guy is finally here. Yeah, so it's working, and let's see how he's going to fix it, and then we'll see.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me.
Artlist.io.
That you wherever I go, baby, I just need you by my side. Yeah, that's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day.
Music licensing reimagined.
Replicate this unity. No pressure. I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you 1 in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me. So I'll go.
So guys, I'm here at the mall, Garden City. Hey you guys, you can't believe what has just happened. There is a new like a supermarket for I think households and stuff. Inaitwa Panda Mart. Hey guys, kuna watu wengi. Hebu let me show you guys. Let me show you guys. Hadi kuna line. Like it's that serious. This is like the outside of that shop. There's a very big line. I can't even go in. Hey you guys, this is serious. Wambia watu wanafungua maduka. If you look inside, if you just look the things they have. I've taken the car to be washed, but then nilikuwa nimemaliza. But hey, the chaos. The chaos is insane. It's insane. Hey, you guys, this place is so full. It's very, very full.
Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere.
Artlist.io.
Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. I don't even care about the way they're looking at us, cause I know they wish they had it and they know we doing damage to the game. I don't care about the stereotype. I can never do it mono, we the stereotype. I'm talking left, right link, I'm talking left hand ring. I'm talking this right here forever, we ain't here just for the summer.
Music licensing reimagined.
Young right now, but we gon' watch the numbers run up. Honestly, I love the way you carry it. It was an easy decision, I had to marry it. Honeymoon, I'ma put you on a chariot, and they don't make them like you no more. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me.
Artlist.io.
Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. Cause I'll go, so I'll go.
Music licensing reimagined.
Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. So I'll go anywhere. You sick of all the same dudes running up.
Artlist.io.
Hope you fall in love, but they don't see you like I do. Yeah, yeah. All your friends, they see it too, that I'm the one who looks you in the eye, speaking like I mean it, what's inside. No, these others try and play the part, but I'm the one who made it to your
Music
heart.
licensing
Yeah, I
reimagined.
show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. You know I'm always one step ahead of
Artlist.io.
you, holding open doors when you're walking up. Cause they don't see me like you do, yeah. There's nothing I won't do for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be whatever you need from me. I'll be, even when it's hard, just know I'll be.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I'm the one who looks you in the eyes, speaking like I mean it, what's inside. No, these others try and play the part, but I'm the one who made it to your heart. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday, and last night I got home quite late. That's why I was not able to film me going home. But anyway, it's a Sunday. Happy Sunday and good morning. So right now I'm going to church. I'm actually very late, but I'll still make it to the service because right now it's actually 9:30 and the service started at 9. I'm headed to church. I'll see you guys in church. Mwah.
I fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love. Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear enough. Fly you out to Paris, see the way they staring. Always on my mind, you know I need that love.
So guys, I'm back home. I've really had a long day, but I want to close this vlog. And thank you so much for watching and for sticking through the whole video until the end. And now I will be cooking dinner, and then I will feed my child and maybe watch a movie and then go and sleep. But in the meantime, thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate the support you're giving me, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and let's continue growing. I have many things planned this year for you guys, so stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Yeah, I show up on time, I know you need that love. Tell you everything that you don't hear.